Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to send a Zoom meeting link on WhatsApp, whether you're hosting a meeting for work, a class, or just catching up with friends. It's super quick and simple, so let's get right into it, and please subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials like this. First, open the Zoom app on your phone or computer and sign in to your account. If you're hosting a meeting, tap New Meeting to start one immediately, or schedule if you want to set it for later. After setting up your meeting details like the date, time, and topic, tap Done or Save to confirm. Once your meeting is created, Zoom will automatically generate a meeting link. To find it, go to the Meetings tab. Tap or click on your upcoming meeting and you'll see options like Start, Edit, and Invite. Select Invite and then tap Copy Invitation or Copy Link. This copies the meeting URL to your clipboard. Now, open WhatsApp. Go to the chat or group where you want to send the meeting invite. Tap and hold the message box, then select Paste to insert your copied Zoom meeting link. You can also add a quick message like, "Hey everyone, here's the link for our Zoom meeting. See you there." And hit Send. If you're using the Zoom desktop app, it works the same way. After scheduling your meeting, click Copy Invitation, and then open WhatsApp Web or your phone's WhatsApp app. Paste the link and send it, and that's it. Your Zoom meeting link is now shared on WhatsApp, making it easy for everyone to join with just one tap. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like, share, and please subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and Zoom guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.